Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off your Samsung Watch 3. Uh, so you can't turn off your device from the menu. If you push the button which we can turn on the device, the Bixby is wake up and you can't turn off. So you need to press and hold this button and this button together like this until you see the red logo of turn off devicing. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. Keep holding both key. Now one more time. As you see, turn off device, and that's it. Your device will be now turned off. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. See you by next video. Hey!